Hey, good morning everyone. Good morning from Bali, Indonesia. Guys, it is roughly 6:30 in the morning in Bali, and be honest with you guys, I couldn't sleep last night. I had to get up like 3 o'clock in the morning. I don't know, like last night it was one of those nights for me. Like you keep thinking about your future, you keep thinking about what you want to do next. As a small YouTuber, one of the things that constantly in my head that how can I make my YouTube channel more successful, more views, more subscriber. Obviously, it's just like anything else in life. You're learning every day. So if you are a small YouTuber like me, and if you are just doing this for any reason, you want to travel, you want to make extra money, so it's just like we learning, like this is not something that we train to do because all of us had different type of life. Now all of a sudden now we are front the camera. So being in front of camera, because you're opening up your life, you open your life in front of everybody, and obviously that's normal. Some people going to like it, some people not going to like it. Some people gonna like your video, some people they're not gonna like your video. So that's the normal things. But the one thing that constantly in my mind, especially for past few days, because usually I go and take a look at my finance every 3 months, because I don't want to constantly looking at my balance. But when you see your account is just shrinking, and obviously one of the reason that I'm doing YouTube, I want to just support myself a little bit in order for me to travel more. So, and one of the reason that I'm traveling to heal, guys, like everybody has a past, like my past, I was going through a little bit of difficult time with the depression and everything else. So I decided to travel, and that's helping me a lot. So, but the bottom line is you need to have some sort of income. Okay, one of the reason is everybody on YouTube to make some sort of money. So, and for past few days I'm keep looking at a lot of videos on YouTube teaching people how to become more successful, or how to increase your views, subscribers, so on and so forth. And I looked so many of them. I'm listening to a lot of them, but let me tell you guys something. If you're struggling like me, if you're trying to grow your channel, that's normal, because we're learning every day and then we're getting better every day. But takes time on anything. Maybe some people gets lucky and, all of a sudden they have a lot of success, but that's just a small amount of people. Everybody cannot be like that. So for average people, you have to keep doing it. And after watching a lot of YouTube channels just designed to teach you how to increase your views, subscriber, now some of them says change the ownership, do this, do that. One thing that I gotta tell you guys, if you struggling like me, just remember one thing. From all this YouTube channel that I'm watching about how to increase it, those guys doing the same thing that me and you doing. So they're looking for views, they're looking for subscriber, they're looking for somebody to watch their video and increase it. So they're not doing it for me and you. And some of the advice just doesn't make sense. But one advice that makes sense to me, and today I was watching it roughly 3:30 in the morning, and I thought to myself to share this with you guys. Don't give up. Keep uploading. That's the bottom line. Don't change the setting, don't change the ownership, don't change your email, don't change this, change that, do this, do that. don't believe none of them. All of them are trying to, they're doing the same thing. I'm a travel channel, somebody is a food channel, somebody is something else. So those guys that they're trying to switch everything, change your ownership of this and that, just they tell you a lot of things that absolutely doesn't make sense. Except one thing that I heard from one YouTuber, I don't know who the guy is, but apparently he's very successful. He said, don't give up, keep uploading. That's the bottom line. Don't give up, keep uploading, and don't listen to none of this that you have to change this, change that, twist this, twist that, change the ownership, change your email address, they do this to all those guys. If you look at their channel, they're trying to teach people how to be successful, but they're looking for views. They're trying to make some money out of people that desperate. Who is going to watch this kind of video? People like me and you, a small YouTuber that we're trying to get more subscriber and more views. So these guys find a way. Probably they had another channel that it wasn't successful. Now all of a sudden they're trying to teach people how to be successful on YouTube. So duh, he's just like crazy. Like, why you don't have that success in YouTube? If you're telling me I have to change the ownership, I have to change this setting, change that setting. So why you not doing all these things to yourself, my friend? Like then you can have 10 million subscribers. So don't listen to none of this, guys. Always when you are not successful, or you're trying to be successful, or you're trying to do something better, obviously we have to learn every day. But the bottom line is just answer is not to change the setting, the ownership, and do this, do that. The answer is keep doing it, keep uploading it, and hopefully that works, because that's a reality. You don't give up. But we're changing this, changing that, changing the ownership, changing the email address, change this setting, change that setting. This is the gimmick, guys. It's just don't listen to this. So I'm not gonna watch none of these videos anymore, because I find that 99.9% is doing the same thing. I'm traveling and filming beaches and the food and the culture and here and there to have more views and subscribers. So these guys, they're making so-called videos that to make people more successful on YouTube. For what reason? They're trying to have a views, that's the bottom line. So it's just not like it's going to help me and you. The only thing is that going to help me and you. So make sure we learn every day, and that comes with the time. Takes time to learn. How upload the video, how to, like I remember in the beginning I couldn't even talk, guys, but now I can. But I'm not saying I'm perfect. I'm learning every day. Maybe I'm gonna adjust myself next 2 months, 3 months to do different things, because you're learning. But the thing is, I remember in my first videos that I decided to have a YouTube, I couldn't talk, guys. Absolutely not. Like I said, well, what should I say? What should I do? I was shy. Still, I'm in so many aspects, I'm shy. Like, I don't want to film here and there. I'm going to open up a little bit more, but that takes time, guys. So instead of thinking there is something wrong with your YouTube channel, instead of thinking you have to change something on YouTube channel, my advice is, based on everything that I heard and listened and watching, all those things are gimmick, guys. The only things that make sense to me, and this is the video that I watched today, 3:30, don't give up, keep uploading. That's the bottom line, and this is what I'm gonna do until I have 1 million subscribers. So I thought to myself to share this with the people that, like me, cannot sleep sometimes at night, because constantly you're thinking like, what should I do? What should I do better? Where can I film? Where is more views? But sometimes when you're overthinking something, the answer that you try to give yourself is just a wrong answer. You're not doing anything wrong. The bottom line is everything takes time and you need to keep doing it. Like, okay, everybody's not gonna like me. Everybody's not gonna like my content. They're not gonna like my face, my accent. That's normal. That's normal. Like I'm watching YouTube, some of them I don't like. That's just the normal things. So, but we're going to find our people that like our videos, enjoying our videos, or they subscribe to our videos. So the bottom line is just keep doing it, don't give up. And pretty much when I get up this morning like 3 o'clock and I couldn't sleep, and I start watching again some of these videos, I find the right video, and the video says don't give up and keep doing it, keep uploading it, and you're going to find your audience. That's the bottom line. So I thought to myself to share this with you guys. Keep doing it, guys. I'm gonna do it. I'm going to do the things that interesting to me, but I'm gonna find more stuff that maybe is more interested to the people that watching my video, like more food and stuff like that. But it's just the bottom line is I didn't do this for in my life. I'm doing it for over 1 year, so I'm learning, and that's a bottom line. Everything in life takes time. The only few lucky people can get really lucky on everything in life. But the rest of us, we need to work hard. That's it. You just need to keep doing it. And don't listen to change this setting, change that setting. Today I was watching one video, the guy says change the ownership of your channel. Are you kidding me? And then he was showing his own channel. There's nothing. Like, why would I change my ownership on my channel? Don't listen to none of these guys. Anyways, guys, I thought to share this with so many of us that are struggling. And the other thing is, guys, recently one gentleman donated $4.99 British pound in one of my channel. First of all, thank you very much. And from $4.99 British pound, I got $2.70 Canadian. So imagine that, guys. $4.99 British pound. Let me see how much is it. So $4.99 British pound is $9.26 Canadian. So guys, from $9.26 Canadian, I got $2.73 Canadian. So the $7 goes to the taxes, whatever that YouTube does. So imagine that how unfair everything is. From $9.26 Canadian, I received $2.73. So roughly $6.70, is it correct? $6.50 goes to God knows where. God knows where in YouTube. That's out of my control. I don't know what is going on, but it's just one of the most ridiculous things that you can see on YouTube, and unfortunately this is not out of my control. From $9.26, I want to repeat, I just received $2.73. So the difference is like $6.50 goes to where in YouTube? God knows. Anyways, guys, we need to keep doing it because unfair situation, unfair life. But what you gonna do? You just need to fight. You need to keep doing it because sometimes some of this stuff is just absolutely out of our control. Cheers, guys, and see you guys soon on the next video.